Rise and grind. Back at you with another video with the pull-up king. Got a brake job. Alright, so quick tip. If you ever want to know if your brake pads are low, all you got to do is open the hood, look at your brake reservoir. It has fluid inside, and it has a max line. Max means that your pads are good and thick. When it goes down to the minimum, as you can see, that thing down there goes to the minimum. That's how you know your pads are low, extremely. So we're going to be replacing the pads and the rotors on them, and I'm going to show you how. I hear the kids playing. I'm out here at a church. My client's job. Alright, so brake pads are extremely low. Alright. So my client has squeaking noise coming from the rear. Just heard it a couple days ago. To ensure there's no more squeaking, we're gonna replace the rotors as well. All right, now the pads need a smooth surface at all times to avoid squeaking and any noise. So some shops will turn these rotors, but I don't have that type of machinery. I'm mobile, so we're gonna replace them to get that smooth surface we're looking for. Let's get it. Okay, we got 2 bolts holding the caliper. These are 12mm bolts. Got a hole in the caliper there. Need to recommend a new caliper. See these pads down to the glass. Next, we got these bolts back here. 17mm bolts holding the bracket for the caliper. Get the bracket off. Alright, we got hardware. Take off this old hardware. This will help prevent squeaking as well, and put the new hardware on there. More than likely the rotor would be stuck. You want to tap it with a hammer. Loosen it up. Spray it down. Brake cleaner. These pads, these shoes are emergency brake shoes. They're pretty low. Always be sure to spray down your rotor, get the film off with brake cleaner. If you don't, it'll burn, make a burning smell. Take this rubber piece out and put it in a new one. Alright, ceramic gold pads, man. Always get those gold ceramic. Last longer. Add this brake quiet on there. Keep down the brake noise. Next, you want to lube your guide pins so they don't stick. You'll be replacing calipers if you don't. Use the C-clamp to push the piston back. Hopefully it don't leak with that cut in it, so we can get it over those pads. It didn't leak, but As you can see, that's a bad sign. I have to replace this caliper. And that is it. If you're liking the content, man, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Y'all be blessed.